It can be challenging to grab a potential customer's attention online, and making your images stand out is only part of that challenge. In this video, we're going to be looking at Mummy's Crazy's Kitchen, a baker based in Essex, and how they use colour beautifully in their social content. So this business, obviously it's a bakery with a focus on cakes and sweet items. So a strong use of colour lends itself very, very well to their approach. And I think they do it brilliantly. We're here on their Facebook page, and just scrolling down, you can see the richness of colour throughout their posts, whether it's different tones of brown, which are a very important colour in baking, I think you'll agree, or more vibrant colours, such as like multicolour icing here on the cupcakes. There isn't a single post that is bland or muted. Even the non-photographic posts, they all feature colour too. And that's really important, because in their imagery, through their imagery, Mummy's Crazy's Kitchen creates a sense of expectation for their customers, all through association. Your mind makes these connections subconsciously, but they are there. So let's take a look at this one, this cookie, giant cookie with mini eggs on. So you're scrolling through your Facebook and you see this image and it catches your eye and it draws you in because it's beautifully shot. We have the cookie background, we have the icing overlaid, and then we have the pops of colour from the eggs. It draws you in and you want to engage with that post, and you do engage with that post, and then you carry on with your day. But then later on, you might see some mini eggs. Let's say you are doing a shop or you're just watching some telly and you see an advert, and then your mind recalls this post and you think, right, yep, now I definitely need to order one. And this is because the social post itself was memorable. And the colours create a kind of visual prompt. So then you'll go back to this post and then you will place your order, possibly via their Facebook page. And it's all because the original social post, this post, was so eye-catching and strong. If you are wondering why you should invest time and effort into the images for your social media, this is why. It's not just about the initial response, it's about the continued response and the engagement that you get with those posts and subsequent transactions that follow through. Okay, so let's have a look at some social inspiration. I'm here in Maybe. So what I've done is, from my dashboard, I've come to listening, and then down at the bottom in best posts. We were looking at a bakery, so I've stayed within food retail. I've also gone for Harlow because they were based in Harlow, and why not? It's good to look at local and national options. So I filtered using those categories, and we've gone down. You can see down the left hand side of the page, you've got sector, you've got type, location, and date. And here you can browse through the best posts on your nominated date. You can see what is performing well and let those posts offer up a guide to the types of imagery that your audience is responding well to, and see how that lets you inform your social content plan going forwards. So I hope this was useful. Please do use the blue button here in Maybe if you have any questions at all, as that connects you to us 24/7, and we love to help.